The Challenger 3 uses the new L-55 120mm smoothbore gun. This cannon can launch various types of ammunition, such as armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot and adjustable high-explosive airburst. The tank's turret also underwent an overhaul, reducing the number of crew and increasing its rate of fire thanks to the autoloader. In terms of protection, the Challenger 3 adopts a modular armor system to customize its defense. This system is also equipped with an active protection system that can detect and neutralize incoming projectiles. According to RBSL, the Challenger 3 is one of the safest MBTs because its hull and turret are protected by advanced composite armor, extra explosive reactive armor, as well as protection systems against nuclear, biological, and chemical threats. The Challenger 3 is powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine and is capable of traveling at an impressive speed of around 60 miles per hour. Its upgraded suspension system allows for better off-road performance and comfort. Updates to the steering and brakes also provide improvements to handling.